student class. So what does a student have? It has a private name of type string, not string. Yes, name. Student has a private string class name, right? And our student has private int age, and I suppose we can say private string class attending. Yeah, class attending, right? And then now you know that since our objects are all private, in order for us to be able to access them outside of our class, we're gonna need setters and getters. To set, we're gonna need setters. To get, we're gonna need getters. So, and they're gonna have to be public, you know. So public string get, public void set name, and public last name, yeah, and public void set last name, public void get class master age, get age, public void set age, then we end with class attending, and then we set our class attending. Awesome, right? Okay, so everything is cool. All right, now one thing that you can do, well, our student may decide to change their name, their surname, their age is definitely going to change, or even their class, they may decide to change that. So let's provide one method that is going to update our student details, right? Then we're going to pass in string name, string last name, vintage, and string class attending. Cool, right? And I can say this dot name is equals to name, and this dot last name is equals to last name, this dot age is equals to age, and this dot class attending is equals to class attending. Cool. Now we're doing this so that maybe we've set our variables and we just wanna update them basically. Well, it's an updater method, so yeah, you know. All right, now we come in here. Here's what we're gonna do. So since we want to create an XML file of our student class here, one thing that you're gonna have to do firstly is to annotate this class of ours to XML root. So what this means is our class, the student name is gonna be our root element. So that's gonna be our root element, and then everything else, these here are gonna be the children, if I may put it so. And whatever values that they have is what's gonna be inside of that. Right, okay. Now we're gonna get our JAXBContext, but before we do that, we firstly need a file, right? Now our file, this is where we're gonna be basically storing our file, right? This is where we're gonna be storing our file. So I'm wanting to store my file where let's say desktop. Okay, there's no student on my desktop. Can we just come here from this side? Then we can say desktop. Right, copy. Okay, cool. Then we paste. Right, and then now we have to give our file a name. So what are we gonna call it? Just call it student. Right, student dot XML, since it is an XML file, right? Okay, cool. Now we need our JAXB context. Just gonna give you context name is equals to, if I'm not mistaken, dot new instance and student. Yes, student dot class. What did I mess up? Okay, so I want to try. Cool. Next, we're gonna need our marshal, which is gonna be our marshal is equals to what does our marshal take? Our marshal is basically the one that's gonna be marshalling our object. Okay, so I skipped something here. What I skipped is I'm supposed to create my student object, of which is the one we're gonna be marshalling, right? Which is the one we're gonna be marshalling. Okay, cool. And then I can say student dot set say set name. Gonna call our student main queue, right? And then student dot last name, no, dot set last name. Gonna call you Maxwell. Then I'm gonna say student dot age, and then gonna say, ooh, why does it, oh no, I'm getting supposed to set, man, set age to say 26. All right, and then student dot class attending, it's gonna say physics, yeah. Right, and then when we get here, we're gonna say marshal dot no, I think I'm missing something. Marshal, no, I'm definitely messing up. What am I messing up? Create marshal, okay. And then what? Set property. So basically our property is gonna be formatting how we want our thingy to be formatted, right? And then what else are we supposed to do? So we marshal our context, right? So that's cool. And then we set property to true, right? That's cool. Sex, now we need sex parser. Yes, is equals to modulo dot I'm messing up here, I'm messing up, I don't like it. So we create our context, we create our module, then we module that. No. Nope. Okay, let me just go and confirm, because I've already written this code. Now it's giving me problems. Oh, I hate it. Okay, I'm gonna go see. Let's see. Okay. Property, employee property, yes. Not you. XML, yeah. JAX modular, JSP create modular, cool. Modular.set property, true. Marshal, yes. Now we marshal that thing. We say modular. No man, doing this wrong. Modular dot marshal, right? And then we pass in our student object, right? And then what do we say? After passing in our student object, passing our file, yes, where we want our student object to go. And then now, just to see our results, we're just gonna say student, and then we're gonna say system dot out, right? Then we're done. Yes. Now we can run our code, bro. F10. Loading. It is loading. Boom! Our XML file. Boom. And now if you can go to our desktop, you'll find out we now have our student XML file, right? And check this out, we have one right here. Oh yeah, now we have age 26, attending physics, name or last name Maxwell, name Menkyo. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. From me, I'm out of here.